Man, we've done some crazy boats here at Edencraft, but this one has to take the cake. This is a fully custom 255 center console, and it is the most jam-packed boat we have ever built, and I can't wait to talk you through the handover on this boat. This is the most epic tender you've ever seen. This 255 center console came to life because Dan wanted to build something that he could take up to the reef, up to Cairns for the heavy tackle season. Towed behind his mothership, a 55-foot Fleming, which is an absolute floating gin palace. We'll go through that a little bit later. You might notice the gel coat's actually a little bit off color. It's not a normal white. That's because we've matched the gel coat on this boat to the mothership, the Fleming. Just a quick rundown of the inclusions on this boat. It's got a Seakeeper 1 gyro system in it. It's got Seakeeper rides. It's got a pair of Mercury 300 Verados that are the warm fusion. We actually bought those in from America to match the gel coat of the boat. Obviously, we've got a very big custom T-top we've made here. Plenty of electronics. The masterpiece of this boat are these epic helm seats. These are Release Marine helm seats. They're handmade teak seats from Florida. They're what you see in the Valhallas and the Vikings. They are unbelievable. They've got a bolster on them and these beautiful teak handles. These Release Marine seats are sitting on a set of shocked bases, so they've both got independent suspension for both the driver and the passenger. This is the first boat we've ever put a Seakeeper gyro in. The Seakeeper's too tall to fit in our stringer system, but because this boat's a center console, it worked perfectly to be able to build a custom seat box to house the Seakeeper above the deck. It's incredible how well this works. The hull certainly doesn't need a gyro, but it's really nice for a bit of stability when you're sitting in some wash rock, sitting up against a bommy, casting stick baits at GTs, that type of thing. It'd be really handy. The thing's really quiet, hasn't quite spooled up yet. It takes about half an hour for it to spin up to full speed here. But the Seakeeper gyro also integrates with the Seakeeper trim tab system, the rides we have on the transom. Really cool how they work together. Obviously the gyro is incredible when we're sitting at rest. Once we get up on the plane, then the rides kick in and help trim that boat perfectly. On the Mercury side of things, we've got the Warm Fusion Mercury Verado 300s. They're color coded to match the gel coat on this hull, so they just blend in beautifully with the boat. Full electric steering from Mercury, which also integrates the autopilot, which is all controlled through the Mercury gauges here. To finish that steering system off, we've got this epic carbon fiber steering wheel from Gomexus. Super nice to work with, and it looks unreal. We've got the joystick integrated with the electric steering from Mercury. Now this joystick gives you what they call skyhook, which is it holds you in place. Obviously you can put it in, helps you turn the boat, spin the bow. It also integrates with the side power bow thruster. So the bow thruster up there helps bring the bow around while the engines work independently down the back, and those two systems are completely integrated to help you with docking or pulling alongside the mothership. And a really cool solution from America. A company called Shore Shade make this electric shade that comes out. It's all flush mounted inside the roof here. I've got an actuator button here, and that extends right out to the transom for when you want to hang out, get a bit of shade while you're fishing. This console setup's fantastic. We used our 655 center console and we extended it so we could fit a macerator toilet in there. So this person can go inside there, go in, close the door, use the toilet if needed, and then it gives us this fantastic dash to work with. All the ergonomics of this with our footrest and stuff just works so well in our current center consoles, so we knew it was going to be a winner on this boat too. We've made a larger fiberglass roof to obviously extend over the deck a bit more and cover the seats, and we've got a really nice solid bit of glass for the frame that comes around the sides with these additional clears that you can clip on when you want to go fishing and you get a bit of spray in the mornings. Perfect to clip on, and they're really easy to take off, stow them away in the cabin, pack them away when you don't need them. This is a great way to have a center console with the full usability of the center console, but also have that protection from the weather's a bit bad. We're going to put the same system onto our 655 center console. This transom's unreal. Even though the hero part of a center console is the bow for fishing, this cockpit's still enormous and there's plenty of room to fish down here. We've got our usual esky slide that comes out on the actuator like all our 255s, which acts as another seat as well as an insulated esky for food and drink. We put a third Simrad NSS4 screen on the back so the passengers can sit here, they can keep an eye on the sounder or the maps, whatever you want to look at. And this rear seat's fantastic. Put a bolster on it so you can put it out of the way when you don't need it, and it's an awesome spot to watch the spread or just sit back for cheese and bicky hour in the afternoon. Now this boat is still really set up for hardcore fishing. We've put a set of Gemlux outrigger bases on them. Dan used these on his other boat and really liked the system. Really easy to use. We can put them up and send them out. We've got a pair of collapsible carbon fiber poles from Relax. We've got a cleat system so you can set them up and you've got your tag lines right here, ready to go. There's nothing worse than storing outriggers when you want to travel somewhere. The beauty of these Gemlux bases and these collapsible poles from Relax is you can have them all collapse down, tension them with this rigger cleat tensioner kit, and these are ready to trailer or tow behind the boat. When you want to go, you just extend them out, ready to go fishing. In the middle here, we've got a solar panel. This solar system tops up the battery system while it's out in the sun. Helps keep all these electronics going because there's plenty of them. We've got the Simrad Halo radar system with the FLIR in front of it. And in front, we've got this awesome mount, Starlink mount, which is the Bargy Marine mount. Sits there really nicely, gives you full connectivity with the internet wherever you are in the world. On our Oz Marine switch panel, we've got a button that electronically releases the door to our console. In here, we've got all the brains of the boat, as well as our Dometic macerator toilet. This bow is huge and it's the most awesome fishing area. Plenty of freeboard, so you're nice and locked in here. We've got a good grab rail. We've got these fantastic combing pads all around the whole boat. Just perfect to lock yourself in and hang onto a big GT. We've got the Minn Kota Auto Deploy Instinct Riptide engine. This thing's really powerful, will hold the boat beautifully alongside a nice bobber you can throw your stick baits at when you're chasing yellowfin, that type of thing. It'll be just perfect. Down on the floor, we've got a really nice tan coloured Evercore flooring. This is a cork-based product. It's really tough wearing. We know we're not going to have any problems with it up there in the northern Queensland sun. You can throw fish boxes on it. It's going to be tough as nails. How cool is this? We put the bowsprit underneath the bow so it's nice and flush from the top. There's nothing to steer from the bow there. But we needed to see when the anchor's coming up, so we put an extra camera inside the anchor well so you can see the nice stainless steel sav winch here, and you can see when the anchor's coming on there, know when to stop it. This boat is just incredible to drive. It's so nice and soft with, of course, the traditional Formula ride. Having those Verados on the back, she hums along at about 47 knots top speed. We're getting really good fuel economy out of them still. We're going to test a set of the Sharrow Marine props on the back soon, so stay tuned to see how they go. They're making some crazy claims about improved fuel economy and performance, so it'll be interesting to compare that against the Mercury props we've got on there. I feel like I just haven't done justice to how much tech is actually in this boat, but I think the only thing left to do is take this for a spin and show you guys just how well this boat handles.